You're my ticket to paradise.
Are you scratching your head wondering what is a bird dog sandwich? Well, if you're like us, we had never heard of it before, and I've asked a lot of people, what is it? They didn't know, but I saw them on Mimi's Recipes YouTube channel, and it looked really cool. So of course I had to make it, and I made it multiple times, and we really liked it. So bird dog sandwich is chicken, that's your bird, and the dog part is the bun that it goes into. So bird dog sandwich, it seems to be a southern thing, but yet even though we've lived for a long time in the so-called South, we thought, wow, we got to try that, and it's really good. So here's the ingredients you're going to need. You need bacon, I've already cooked that, Panko seasoned breadcrumbs, cheese, any kind that you like. This is mild cheddar, but anyone will be fine. I've got yellow mustard, I've got honey, I've got chicken because we're going to make the chicken strips ourselves. Okay, you're gonna need an egg and hot dog buns. I got the ones that are sliced open on the top. I recommend those. Fresh parsley, extra virgin olive oil, pepper, salt, and mayo. Now the next step is I'm gonna make chicken tenders or chicken fingers. And so I'm making them myself, but you can go to a fast food place and buy them. You can get them at the grocery store already cooked. But since I've done this before, we know we like it. And I wanted to show you guys how to do it. So in this bowl, I have an egg and salt and pepper. You decide how much you want. And this is the Panko seasoned breadcrumbs. If you don't like Panko, you can use something else. And what I'm going to do is dip it in the egg mixture and then in the Panko, and then put it in a dish so that we can take it over to the stove.
Look into my eyes, you can use them as a mirror. You're my ticket to paradise. Hey, now look into my eyes, you can use them as a mirror, baby. You're my ticket to paradise. Hey, now everything's alright. We've been longing for each other, and it feels like I'm on cloud nine. Yeah, you pull me up when I'm falling down, and I don't know how I would do without you. Yeah, you pull me up when I'm falling down. Yeah, you pull me up when I'm falling down.
Okay, now we're at the stove. I have my pan heated up. I've got oil. I've got extra oil on the side in case we need more. I've got it on about medium. I also have my thermometer for checking it. Ooh. We can check the first few.
What's the next?
165. Not quite. We're going to need a topping of honey mustard, so I have honey in a very small bottle, and I have yellow mustard. If you want to use a different kind of mustard, the grainy, any other choice, that would be good too. This is going to go on top when we're all finished assembling our bird dog sandwich. And that's it. All right, our next step is I have the buns, and I put them on a cookie sheet. These, like I said, are open at the top, which is what I would recommend, but if you can't find them, the other kind of buns are fine. We're gonna take our bacon, and we're gonna put some inside each bun. And mine just broke, so that's okay. Not a problem. I will continue on. What we're gonna do is put it in the oven under broil, And that's going to toast the buns, which we think is a much better way to go. Now these buns aren't real big, so you need to remember we have to leave room for the other ingredients. What I really like about this recipe is you could do the chicken and then change it to however you like it, adding different ingredients. Or like I said, if you're doing a bar, you could have all different choices out there for people. You could certainly use other kinds of cheeses, or even other kinds of bacon, flavored bacon. Now I've raised the rack in the oven. I'm going to set it to broil. Do not walk away, because this won't take long.
Come here, give me a kiss.
Our next step is we're going to take some mayonnaise and we're going to add it to our sandwiches. There we go. Okay. Next we're going to put our chicken in. Now if you want more, what do you think, Mar? Do we need more chicken? I think that's a good amount.
Perfect bird to bacon
Bird to bacon to cheese ratio. Okay. All right. Next, we're going to put honey mustard on top. We're just going to drizzle that. Okay, because we're fancy, we're going to put some parsley, fresh parsley on.
Here we are, fresh back from our family reunion in Philadelphia, Pennsylvania. Thanks to all our subscribers and family members up there. And we decided to make a southern treat as we came back into Florida for you. This is called a bird dog sandwich, very popular south of the Mason-Dixon line, and particularly for football tailgating weekends. We had a big weekend of football here in Florida and across the United States.
Mm-hmm. Yes. All right. Let's give this baby a try.
This is beautiful looking.
It's really good.
So good.
Yep. I love it. With the honey mustard.
Just have to point out this beautiful
piece of chicken.
Panko seared chicken tender breast meat.
Mm-hmm. Mm.
Yeah, I like the homemade honey mustard with orange blossom honey that we get here. So much better than a store prepared.
Right.
And I like we've done these a bunch of different ways, but I like them with the top cut hot dog bun like this one. And I think one of the big secrets that a lot of southern recipes use in restaurants, they put the bacon and the cheese inside the hot dog bun and then melt it and pre-toast the bun before putting the chicken tender in the oven. So
what if you put butter? Oops, sorry. What if you put butter on the bun?
That'd be good.
What could be wrong with that, right?
But this is perfection.
This is so good.
Scrumdiddlyumptious.
It is scrumdiddlyumptious. I can't even say it. Scrumptious. Is that it?
Delicious.
Delicious.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Where's the recipe live?
It lives under if you look at the video, if you click on the title, it'll open up the description box and the recipe is right there.
And if you like and subscribe, makes Bridgetta feel good about making more videos like this.
Yep, that is my goal. Well, thanks so much for watching. We'll see you next time.
Hey, I don't know if I told you
These are great.
that I think you're beautiful, and now I can't wait to hold you.
I'm bringing this for lunch tomorrow.
back to
Yeah,
football.
you pull me up when I'm falling down, and I don't know how I do without you. Yeah, you pull me up when I'm falling down. Hey, now look into my eyes. You can use them as a mirror, baby. You're my ticket to paradise. Hey, now everything's alright. We've been longing for each other